Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some large signs using Dollar Tree items. Starting with my first project, I will be using this large sign from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm actually reusing one that I already had, and I did cut a little bit off where the holes were at, and as you can see right here there is some glue stuck, but I just left it because I will be covering that up using these two other Dollar Tree signs. But first, I will be removing the sawtooth hook from the back, and then I will be adding these little sawtooth hooks to the large sign. I will be gluing the home little sign on one side. This is going to cover the glue from the sign. And I only use hot glue, but I do recommend you using like a heavier duty glue. For the other side, I will be using this other side. I do end up removing the home. And I left the words there because they don't bother me, but if they bother you, you can always send them down. I also only added hot glue, but I do recommend you using a heavier duty glue. For extra support, I added these Jenga blocks. For my next project, I will be using two of these Dollar Tree signs. Now I'm going to make a big sign using these two, so I'm going to put these together using some Dollar Tree popsicle sticks. Using the Waverly chalk paint in the color moss, I'm going to paint the sign. I will be making an Easter sign with this, but you can always make something else if you don't celebrate Easter. Now I'm using the H and the P, and I got these letters from Dollar General. Walmart carries some, so does Dollar Tree, but these were $1. They were actually cheaper than Dollar Tree and Walmart. Now I'm going to paint these using white paint. As you can tell, I will be adding the word hop to this, and I'm using a bunny from the Dollar Tree. And another thing, Dollar Tree does carry already the word hop that you can just simply add to this sign, but I think it looks so much nicer like this. After I removed the bow from the bunny, I accidentally tore some of the paper off. So to cover that up, I will be adding some greenery and a bow. And that is it. The last thing I did is I added some string for the hanger, and I actually did like a double hanger, so like that the little holes at the top didn't look bad. But that is it. Look how beautiful this hop sign turned out. For my next project, I will be using these two wall shelves that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to make a larger sign, so I'm using some popsicle sticks to glue these together. Using the apple barrel acrylic paint in white, I'm going to paint the sign. So these are the other Dollar Tree items I will be using to add on the sign. Now I'm going to paint all of these using the Waverly Antique Wax. I added a little bit of black paint just to change a little bit of the color. Now I'm going to glue the wood pieces in the front using hot glue. Before I add the other wood piece, I'm adding the string for the hanger. Now I'm adding the cross on one side and the belief on the other side. I will be adding some greenery to the cross to decorate it a little bit more, and that is it. Look how beautiful this belief Easter sign turned out. And that is it. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, bye.